Hi, I'm Alex and you're watching 101 ways to use a multi-tool on tour. So come on, follow me. Here I have the smart diamond tipped multi-tool cutting blade with a 65mm cutting depth, 32mm wide blade, and obviously diamond tipped. It's ideal for cutting brickwork and damaged mortar, just like we got going on this job. So there you have it, the diamond tipped multi-tool blade from Smart. Now, this being a diamond tipped blade is very durable for these sorts of works, cutting bricks, cutting mortar. It's ideal. Now, again, these blades are designed for the blade to do the work, so minimal effort, just guiding the blade, and it does the work and gets the results like you've just seen. This is Alex. You'll be watching 101 ways to use a multi-tool on tour, and I'll catch you on the next.